Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live, and you are watching today's top headlines.
Following simultaneous searches at places linked to Orissa Police Housing and Welfare Corporation Deputy Manager Pratap Kumar Samal, Vigilance sleuths Wednesday arrested him for further questioning. Vigilance officials have so far unearthed assets and properties to the tune of 14.87 crore rupees belonging to him and his wife. As many as 50 BJP workers were arrested by police while they were staging demonstration at Trishulya Square in Cuttack during Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's visit to the city. The opposition activists were protesting, seeking justice for murdered Kalahandi lady teacher Mamita Mehra and the dismissal of Minister Dibyashankar Mishra for his alleged involvement in the case. More than 500 members of All Odisha Graduate Contractual ICDS Supervisors Association spent the night on the streets at Lower PMG in Bhubaneswar Tuesday, demanding regularization of jobs and hike in their salaries and allowances. The agitating women members of the contractual ICDS supervisor body have been on dharna since Sunday. Top securities of India, Russia, Iran and 5 Central Asian countries Wednesday pledged to work for ensuring that Afghanistan does not become a safe haven for global terrorism and called for the formation of an open and truly inclusive government in Kabul. At the end of an India-hosted security dialogue on Afghanistan chaired by NSA Ajit Doval, the security officials came out with a declaration reaffirming that Afghan territory should not be used for sheltering, training, planning or financing terrorist activities. The Gujarat police made another drug seizure Wednesday, confiscating around 17 kg drugs worth over 88 crore rupees, which is believed to have made its way into the state through the sea route. Dwarka Superintendent of Police Sunil Joshi informed that the seizure consisted of 6.168 kg of methamphetamine and 11.483 kg of heroin. Elon Musk has lost $50 billion so far this week after Tesla shares plunged for the second day in a row. It's the biggest two-day decline in the history of the Bloomberg Billionaires Index and the biggest one-day fall after Jeff Bezos' $36 billion plunge following his divorce from Mackenzie Scott in 2019. England will take on New Zealand in the 2021 T20 World Cup semi-final at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium in Abu Dhabi Wednesday. Skipper Ian Morgan's experience and leadership could be the defining factors in the match against Kell Williamson-led New Zealand.
That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.